Hello rocket science fans, it's Mr. Michael. Today we're going to be talking about gears. With gears, we'll talk about how gears mesh together. We'll talk about different sizes of gears. And we'll talk about how to combine gears to gain a mechanical advantage, which is adding a larger gear to a smaller gear. So let's get started on what gears we have. So we have a smaller number 8 tooth gear, which has 8 teeth around it. Each one of these pieces are 8 teeth. And you see different colors here. They all work basically the same when they're side by side, being used as what's called a spur gear, which is on the same pattern. They work well together. So let's add a few together and talk about how they connect. So I have a number 2 axle here. And we're just going to set these right on our Lego Technic brick. On our Lego Technic brick, we'll see how the gears connect together. You see that they connect and go opposite direction. In going opposite direction, this is called meshing. So if we add another gear of the same size in, you'll notice that the outside gears actually go the same direction. See those guys right there? The middle one's moving opposite because the gears are forcing each other to turn around. Okay, so let's take those back apart. Number 8 tooth gears, same size. They work with one peg size for each one, so they're pretty small. A lot of fun to work with and very important in our Lego Technic building. Why is that? Well, let's talk about the 24 tooth gears, which are our larger gears. As you can see, we have a few colors over here. Some are older, some are more in the retail from the Lego store, and some are more education from the Lego education department. So let's mix these guys together. Again, when the two gears are going together, we'll add a number 8 tooth gear to that. Nope, sorry, a number 2 axle, excuse me. We add those together. It's a larger area you can see. The gears are moving around. Now they're going opposite direction just like the 8 tooth gears, but they are taking up a lot more space. Basically 1.5 spaces. So when we add a different gear, which is a number 8 tooth gear, to a 24 tooth gear, we're going to notice a change in rate. So the larger 24 tooth gear is actually going to force the number 8 tooth gear to go faster. Let's take a look. When I rotate, I get a peg in here. Can you kind of see how that's a directional part? So we're going to rotate this one around one rotation, and it's going to be hard to see how many rotations this goes around, but you're going to see that it's going to go faster. So as I go around one rotation, this number 8 tooth gear is going to go around 3 times. Here's a model to show you exactly that. On my model I have here, on the side I have a number 3 axle with a number 5 axle, a hub to keep everything from falling off, and basically a 2x4 round brick. Connect that on with a simple model. This yellow piece is going to be our direction. Cranker is going up. So when this cranker goes all the way around, this should go around 3 times. So let's do that example. It's going to be one turn, 2 turns, and when I get my cranker all the way back up to the top, it should be at 3 turns. So 1 rotation, so that's a 1 to 3 ratio. 1 turn for every 3 turns. So I'm going to actually go faster and show you how this can be a very, very fun model. It's called a mechanical advantage, and it gives more force and more rotations to the other output. Okay, so what happens when we change direction? We have a number 8 tooth gear that turns a 24 tooth gear. Now it's going to take the opposite, which is 3 turns of the number 8 tooth gear to get the 24 tooth gear to turn around. I'll show you an example. Here's a different model with the 8 tooth gear is turning the 24 tooth gear. So we have this set up again where the model showing here, and I'll show you the setup, same setup. And when I turn this around 1 time, it's going to take it 3 times to turn around for that to turn around 1. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So that's a 3-to-1 ratio, which makes them stronger, but not so fast. Thank you for watching this gear on the 24-tooth gear and the 8-tooth gears. This is important to show in different models, larger models like you may see behind me, like the Porsche or the 24-hour Le Mans set. There are a lot of gear series in that to help the cars move in different directions, opening doors, making motors move, pistons, levers, and a lot of different mechanical advantages that help your car activate and do more different things by using the gears. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing more videos from us.